And Eric, a lot of these customers have been without power since yesterday evening, and even though you can tell the breezes have noticeably backed off here in Vacaville, it is still windy in the higher elevations, so PG&E playing it safe, keeping that power out for many customers for one more night. The sound of generators drowns out the rush of the wind on this Wednesday night on the north end of Vacaville. We followed the light of these orange cones to a gathering of neighbors on Corte Malaga, a blackout block party.
We'd gotten kind of used to it, so a lot of us here have generators, and we just keep them running, keep everything cold, and make the best of it.
Bill McLaren and his neighbors question why PG&E shut off their power. They have underground lines.
There's been some periods of really gusty wind, but I mean nothing that we haven't experienced in the previous times that our power hasn't been shut off. So we were all kind of surprised about it.
But even in the darkness, they're looking on the bright side, enjoying each other's company.
You know, the hardest part is we don't have internet either, so the kids are going nuts.
Huh?
The kids are somehow surviving this dark night. A few hours earlier, when we first arrived in Vacaville, there was just enough daylight to see the branches dancing, the flags flapping, and many road signs flipped over. Behind the Costco, PG&E has set up a community resource center. There are no tarps on the tents, otherwise they might blow away. Neighbors come here to charge their devices, use free Wi-Fi, and find some basic snacks and provisions. The center is available from 8 in the morning to 10 at night, as long as there are public safety power shutoffs in the area.
Well, we do public safety power shutoffs as a last resort, but we do that to protect our communities from the risk of wildfire. Unfortunately, with high winds, dry fuel conditions, and low humidity, we need to do that to help prevent against wildfires, because tree branches can break off and be blown into power lines.
PG&E spokesman Paul Moreno says between Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, public safety power shutoffs affected about 22,000 customers in 17 California counties. That includes 5,400 customers in Solano County. The utility expects to have power restored to everyone in Solano County by the end of the day Thursday.
We patrol the power lines to ensure there's been no damage from the wind event, and then crews will step by step restore power to customers.
So kids, you'll have your internet back. And PG&E says sometimes the power is cut off in neighborhoods where the winds are not especially gusty, because the lines in those neighborhoods connect to areas directly where the winds are very strong. Reporting live in Vacaville tonight, covering local news that matters, Dennis Shanahan, Fox 40 News.